In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes if GTA 5 keeps crashing at startup or during the loading screen. Method 1. Run as administrator. Right-click the GTA 5 shortcut or the game.exe file. Select Run as administrator. This can fix permission issues causing crashes. Method 2. Update graphics drivers. Update your GPU drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, from the official website. Restart your PC and try launching the game again. Method 3. Verify game files, Steam/Launcher. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, Rockstar Launcher. Find GTA 5 in your library. Click Verify integrity of game files or Scan and Repair. This will fix missing or corrupted files. Method 4. Disable overlays. Turn off overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Xbox Game Bar. These can interfere with GTA 5 and cause crashes. Method 5. Adjust compatibility settings. Right-click the GTA 5.exe file Properties Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8. Also check Disable full screen optimizations. Method 6. Delete settings files. Navigate to Documents /Rockstar Games /GTA 5. Delete settings.xml to reset game settings. Restart GTA 5. Method 7. Reinstall the game, last resort. If nothing works, uninstall GTA 5 and reinstall it. This often fixes deep issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming fixes.